to get in the best shape of your life? First, what they are. Second, uses in the body. And third, healthy and unhealthy sources. As the name suggests, carbohydrates are made up of a bunch of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen molecules. Carbohydrate, water, hydrogen, and oxygen. And while carbohydrates often start out as longer chains, they can easily be broken down into smaller monosaccharides like glucose, fructose, and galactose. Now that we've learned what carbohydrates are, let's learn about uses in the body. Well, in the body, they provide energy to all the systems. They're the body's preferred source of energy, and they even make up DNA and RNA to help build those, and then they can spare your precious protein for building muscle instead of converting the amino acids into carbohydrates like glucose through gluconeogenesis, and they're even involved in fat metabolism. Are carbs bad? Not so fast. Carbs are just like any other calorie source, but the body prefers them for energy and they aid fat loss. So what does the research say? All of weight gain and weight loss comes down to the energy balance in the body. Calories in and calories out. But this is often misinterpreted by people to think that if you're obese, you simply need to get up and exercise more. You're lazy or gluttonous, and that's just not the case. In meta-analysis, and I quote here, low carbohydrate diets have been suggested to partially subvert these processes by increasing energy expenditure and promoting fat loss. Our meta-analysis of 32 controlled feeding studies with isocaloric substitution of carbohydrates for fat found that both energy expenditure and fat loss were greater with lower fat diets. This means is that lower fat and some carbs helps promote fat loss. The mistake people often make is that energy expenditure and energy intake are independent of each other, but that's just not the case. I quote here, "We now understand that energy intake and expenditure are interdependent variables that are dynamically influenced by each other, and body weight attempts to alter the energy balance through diet or exercise are countered by physiological adaptations that resist weight loss. So what do I eat? What carbs are good and what carbs are bad? Carbohydrates that are digested and absorbed slowly are the most important ones for daily consumption. They help with hunger control, blood sugar, insulin concentrations, energy levels, and even body composition. However, when the diet consists of refined carbohydrates like white breads, white pastas, cookies, pastries, all the yummy stuff, the individuals experience temporary elevations in blood sugar, blood triglycerides, fat, and LDL cholesterol. That's the bad one. As well as inflammation and insulin resistance. So what are good sources of carbs? Well, mainly the fiber is parts of vegetables and things like soluble fiber found in oats, beans, peas, and all sorts of other unprocessed foods, as well as insoluble fiber, which is the structure that makes up a lot of those vegetables, like green beans, beets, dark green leafy vegetables, and some fruit and root vegetable skins, as well as whole grain products. Get that fiber in. What's the point of all of this? According to the ISSA Fitness, the complete guide published in 2017, in summary, carbohydrates are important and required for optimal functioning. The best carbohydrates to ingest are the slow digesting, minimally processed, high fiber carbohydrates. These are highest in micronutrients and phytonutrients and tend to better control daily food intake, I'll get to micronutrients in a later video. Stay tuned.